What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So you know I'm all about XRP. I invested majority of my money that I have into the crypto market into XRP because I feel as though this is a position that is going to change the game, has the potential chance to really, really change the game, do something big in the crypto market for currencies overall, for spending money, for utilizing currencies. It's going to have a game changing effect. I'm a big fan of what XRP can do. However, the case for the SEC versus Ripple is very, very important. And not only is that case very important, but also the case for Coinbase versus the SEC is probably equally as important for the success of XRP. And I want to talk about this. I want to get into a discussion of why Coinbase is so important. The decision overall and the ruling overall will be very important for the outcome of XRP, um, and hopefully can lead to something positive. But make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out Margex, if you want to start trading on Margex, you can trade XRP at a 50x leverage if you want to. You can also trade um, you can also trade Bitcoin at 100x, or you can trade it at a 5x, right? You can trade it at low leverages and be able to protect yourself throughout the process. But honestly, it's a great way to make extra funds on top of you spending maybe a little bit, spending like $50 and possibly turn it into 500 fairly quickly if you have a great strategy. So definitely check out Margex. That link is in the description. But we're here to talk about XRP and why this is so significant. So I saw an article here today that XRP, this XRP news, Coinbase victory could end the SEC's plans to appeal XRP ruling. Now, this has been kind of a topic of conversation for a while, right? The XRP or um, the Ripple versus SEC has been a topic of conversation for a very long time. It's been going on for what, 2+ years now, and we haven't really seen anything major positive come out of it besides what we saw last year. We saw that XRP was labeled as not a security. However, they're stating that we could see an appeal to that as well as an appeal to the overall case and just kind of do a redo and kind of just continue to play this over and over and over again, which honestly would be horrible because it's just a long battle that you want to go ahead and fight again and again, and it honestly takes away from the hype and the attention and the build that XRP can have because you have the litigation that's happening, and they understand that. They've done this with plenty of situations where it takes away from you being able to question if you want to be a part of that. If a company, let's say, is a part of litigation in any way and it's maybe baseless claims, it doesn't matter, right? What matters is the fact that they're in court, they're arguing their case, and they can't, other companies that are trying to invest into that or other people that are trying to invest into that can't take their chances. That's the same way here, right? There's a lot of people that don't want to take their chances. They're using the fear within there in order to create less volume and less traction and less use within it, when honestly it should already be where it should be. But basically, let's go into some of the information within that. I'll increase the size so that we can actually see this a little bit. But here we go. So SEC versus Coinbase motion to dismiss ruling pivotal for the crypto market. Investors also await the court ruling on the Coinbase motion to dismiss um, uh, month to date, or MDT. Coinbase filed a motion to dismiss. Sorry, motion to dismiss. I thought it was month to date. Motion to dismiss in August, arguing the SEC lacks the statutory authority to regulate crypto exchanges. If Judge Catherine, I can't say her last name, Falia, hopefully I'm saying it right, grants the motion to dismiss, the ruling could force the SEC to end its reign of regulation by enforcement. Judge Falia heard oral arguments for and against the motion to dismiss on January 17th. On Monday, Attorney John Deaton considered the SEC versus Coinbase case, saying in 2021, Gary Gensler testified that exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken fell outside the jurisdictional purview of the SEC and FTC or CFTC. In fact, in April 2021, the SEC made a determination uh, that it was in the public's best interest to grant acceleration for a Coinbase IPO. 2 years later, acting as a political operative, Gensler changed his mind and declared Coinbase uh, entire business model as illegal and in violation of U.S. securities laws, which honestly makes no sense whatsoever that really was the case. As background, the SEC filed charges against Coinbase in June 2023 for allegedly operating as an unregistered security exchange, broker, and clearing agent or agency. Additionally, the SEC charged Coinbase for the unregistered offering and selling of securities in connection with its staking as a service program. The outcome of the SEC versus Coinbase case could dictate the direction of the SEC versus Ripple case. A Coinbase victory could end SEC's plans to appeal the programmatic sales of XRP ruling. In July 2023, Judge Torres ruled that the programmatic sales of XRP do not satisfy the third prong of the Howey test. A favorable end to the SEC versus Ripple case would be a boon for Ripple and XRP. And absolutely, I agree that would be it would be huge for XRP. It would be huge for Ripple. It would be huge for the crypto market to be able to see that. And honestly, we want to end this reign of terror that the SEC really does have on the entire market, because just seeing that they're continuously attacking a lot of these exchanges and changing their mind, it shows that they have some sort of I don't know, vendetta on crypto investors and crypto in general. Or Gary Gensler just wants a job, and once he gets that job, then maybe it isn't really that strong, right? I don't know. I don't really know exactly what's happening on that side and what their narrative really is, because it's not about what they're saying it is, right? Coinbase has tried to live by the rules this whole entire time, see that XRP is in litigation, and kind of prove that um, the partnerships and the connections aren't going to be there as long as litigation is there. And once it was ruled not a security, guess what? Coinbase decides to relist it, and so does Kraken. So it really shows that they were trying to abide by the rules that you set forth, that you agreed as you had this IPO, right? And it didn't, it didn't hold up. You decided to change your mind. It makes no sense whatsoever. So honestly, this decision could lead to something really positive on the Ripple side of things, on the XRP side of things, but only time will tell. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also, if you guys want to, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are down there. Don't forget about MargeX if you guys want to sign up for that. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.